In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Gantt View in Monday.com. The Gantt View is perfect for visualizing timelines, spotting overlaps, and keeping your team aligned on what's happening when. I'll walk you through getting to the view, turning it on for your board, and configuring the key settings so the chart is meaningful at a glance. Start on your Monday.com homepage. From here, open Workspaces in the left sidebar to see the areas where your teams and boards live. Choose the workspace that contains the project you want to visualize. Inside that workspace, open the board you're working with. This is the board whose items and columns will feed your Gantt chart. At the top of the board, look for the Views bar and click the plus icon to add a new view. This is where you can enable different ways of seeing your data. Select Gantt from the list. Monday.com will prompt you to set it up so the chart knows which data to use. Click New Project to begin the configuration. You'll first choose the group you want to visualize. Groups are the sections on your board, so pick the one that contains the tasks you care about for this timeline. Next, select the person column. This lets the Gantt show who's responsible for each task and makes filtering by assignee easier later. Then choose the status column. Statuses are great for color coding your bars so you can instantly see what's done, what's in progress, and what's stuck. Now set the date or timeline column. This is the heart of the Gantt. It tells the view where each task starts and ends. If your board uses a single date column, make sure you have both start and end information available or a timeline style column for better accuracy. If your team tracks time, enable time tracking so you can surface logged hours alongside the schedule, which helps with capacity and retrospective reviews. When everything looks good, click Create Project to generate the Gantt view. Your chart will render with tasks laid out across the calendar. From here, you can interact directly with the schedule. Click and drag a task bar to move its dates, or grab an edge to extend or shorten its duration. These changes update the underlying item on your board, so your data stays consistent everywhere. That's it. You've accessed the Gantt view, mapped the right columns, and created a clear visual timeline of your work. As you explore, remember you can switch back to your main board anytime and return to the Gantt view from the Views bar whenever you need a high-level snapshot of progress and timing.